I already got one of the blades off camera. We'll get the other two off and then we'll sharpen them. And having an impact is nice. And I used to take them off with a socket wrench. It was a pain in the butt. Having this cart like this makes it easy to maintain the blades. We'll give them a quick touch up with the grinder. Gonna be time for some new ones before long. Got the blades back on. Let's get it tightened down a little bit. Okay. These brackets down here is what goes on the tractor that the mower attaches to do the raise and the lower of it. Also the holders are, they actually hook into the 3-point arms. So we'll get all this taken off of this rack. We'll get the mower off the rack and we'll get it installed on the tractor here in just a minute. Tricky part. Just takes a little finesse. Now here is the real difficult part. Turn it over, because it's pretty heavy. Alright, easy enough. Okay, good deal. Need to give it a shot of grease. This is that other grease dirt for the center spindle. We'll grease the U-joint here. This U-joint. Got some white listing grease to put on that. My can lost its pressurization, so didn't want to waste the grease. I just drilled a hole in it so I could pour some out. Alright, that's good. Now we'll put the brackets on the tractor and then we'll drive up over this thing, show you how it hooks on. Okay, this will kind of give you an idea. Front part of that bracket fits on right there. And a pin goes in it. Just like that. Now we'll move around to the back. This back bracket back here goes on this pin right here. See how that fits on there? This pin goes on here. These go over the top of your 3-point arms. We'll have to move them in here in just a minute. Actually, let me try something different. Put them on there before I won't have to take the quick hitch off. Sets up on top of that. That's what it uses to lift the mower up and down. Then if you want to lock the mower up, you pull these pins out, you raise it up, put the pin through the link, and that locks your mower up. Do the back side over here. Easy enough. Then we'll move up to the front. and lock it on. And your mower deck hooks right here, and then it hooks on the front. I'll show you that. This part hooks on the tractor, and this locks into place to hold it up. But we won't put that on until after we drive up over the mower deck. Alright, well that's easy enough. Now I'll show you how the rest of this works. Then you just kind of get her all lined up. So that's how that works. So there's the PTO hooked up. That's the hardest part about doing all this, is hooking that on. And once you get that on, that bracket needs to go right down into that bracket on the mower. Usually it's pretty simple. Let's see if we can get it in there. So we drop the 3-point down just a little bit. And then when you line it up, pull that up in there. Locked in. Easy peasy. Now let's go to the other side. Looks like the other side of that slipped right into place too. Look at that. Man, life is good. Now we'll move up to the front. Once we get to the front, this bracket is already hooked into the mower, and it's taking me longer to do this because I'm trying to explain everything to you than it normally does. You got to get those washers spaced out and get this fixed where it goes up in there, and now it's locked into place. So whenever I go back and lift up on the 3-point arms, then it'll lift the mower up. So we'll do that. Alright, now I'll start the tractor and I'll lift up the 3-point. And that raises the mower up. Now, because my yard is pretty rocky still yet and I don't have an official yard put in, what I do is I set these on about 3.5 inches, which is that hole right there, and that's what I mow my grass at. So we'll go over and adjust the other side. All right. I'm not ready to do any mowing today, but we're going to bring it outside the garage and just kick the mower on, make sure everything sounds right. Well, all right, that sounds like a mower. Looks like it's going to work. I don't know about you all. Do you get dirty whenever you work? Man, I get filthy. I don't know. I see some of these YouTube guys, they work all day and they never get their clothes dirty. I don't know if they just have nice, clean equipment or if they change clothes during the middle of their video. But thanks again for watching this project here on Haggard Hill. It looks like mowing season is upon us, so I won't bore you with any of my yard mowing videos or anything like that like some guys do. I don't have very cool equipment or a nice zero turn. This is all I got. Serves a dual purpose. It's my tractor and my lawnmower. But thanks again for watching. If you like my content, please subscribe and like it, and make a comment if you would, and tell me what you like to see. Also, I do appreciate every one of you watching. And as always, God bless, and thanks for coming by and visiting with us here on Haggard Hill.